la polizia, no, porco Dio, no, figlio di puttana, no, porco Dio, no.
You pump like that. Make you pump like that. Make you pump like that. Make you pump like that. Jack like that.
I'ma make you pump like that. Make you pump like that.
Let's go!
Stop. 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 Keep going, keep going, keep going,
This
keep
is a
going,
red
keep
light.
going. No, it's not.
I thought it was.
It's not a red light. I'm not going to ask you to do that again. Drive off when you're ready.
When did they pass this one then?
Stop. Thank you. Stop. Oh, thank you. Drive off when you're ready. A little bit because he's being silly.
Yeah, what was that about?
He shouldn't have done that, but it's okay. We deal with it. Stop. Brake and. Stop. Brake and. Clutch. Really nice stop. Stop. Thank you.
Flamingo? Oh shit.
You better get in that fucking lane, because I'm about to get the fuck out of the car in a second and whoop your ass. Hey, what the fuck was that for? No, how about you fucking drive like you got some sense? I'm not scared of you. I don't give a you don't look like I give a Did I do something to you? Did I do something to you? What did I do? All right, United Plumbing, great. Guess what? My aunt works for you. I'll make sure they know. 47 wide LJ.
This truck might be on fire. We got a bunch of smoke coming out of it.
Oh god.
What are you doing? You still fucking asshole. Oh my god.
Now that she sees what's at stake, we have to get back inside.
Stop!
I got you.
Stop, Jesse! Stop!
Oh my days!
Okay, Andrew, so drive on when you're ready, please.
Oh, good guess. Straight. No, no! Stop! Jesus Christ.
All right there.
Stop, stop, stop.
You What? Why are you grabbing the wheel?
Wow! Second, you need to be calm. We're going to go on the freeway. Start indicating left and verge over, verge over. Here, left!
Okay.
Why are you crying? You're not gonna die.
3 seconds to click people run their life. Stop!
I got you.
Stop, Jesse! Stop!
Oh my days!
Okay, Andrew, so drive on when you're ready, please.
Oh, good guy. No, no! Jesus Christ.
All right there.
What? Why are you grabbing the wheel?
Wow! Second, you need to be calm. We're going to go on the freeway. Start indicating left and verge over, verge over. Here, left!
Okay.
Why are you crying? You're not gonna die.
3 seconds to click people run their life.
Pay attention, you dumb fuck! You're an idiot! Get off the fucking phone! I guess we don't have eyes. I guess we don't look. Yo! You check your mirrors! Wrong way, you dumb fuck! Why you fucking go with traffic? You piece of shit! No! You go with traffic!
And I'm on the block. And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm really rock a lot. Had it in my sock. Had it in my sock. Said it every rock. In New York, I'm really rock. Had it in my sock. It's just every rock.
Hello. Where should I park? Okay. Hi. Sorry? Can you rev it? Sure. Can I rev it? Is that okay? Okay. Okay, so it doesn't matter where I...
Oh, I love this car. What car is it?
Thanks, it's an M3. 49.
Sorry?
It's an M3, you know. 49.
Wait, let me see the badges.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, sorry.
Why? And all those high school kids.
Hello.
Hi. Oh my God. Sorry. I thought you were coming on that side.
So Officer McCarran with York Police.
Okay.
Everything's on audio and video. Okay. Just
Okay.
so you know.
Yeah.
Reason for the stop is your front plate.
Okay.
You don't have.
Well, I do have it. It's actually in the trunk, but I was working on the car this morning. I can show you what the problem is, but my front lip, it's like tilted on one side, so I have to take my whole bumper off. So I started working on that this morning, but I don't have the screw to put it in, so that's where I'm like heading now.
Okay.
Yeah, I do have it. It's just in the trunk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your license,
Yeah.
your ownership, and your insurance.
Sure. Is that... I can like reach in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This has got to be a wrap, yeah.
It's a wrap. Yeah. I don't get pulled over very often, so.
Probably
Okay.
a good thing.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, just give me a couple minutes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. I knew. Oh my God, these guys followed me for 3 kilometers just to pull me over for no phone call.
Okay, so we'll throw a warning on for you today.
Oh,
okay.
thank you.
Just know that it will show up, like if you get pulled over again with no
Okay.
plate. Sounds good. Drive
Okay.
safe.
Okay. Thanks so much. Hot space.
No, you can't go. Seriously?
It's okay, it's okay. It's not exactly clear. But it's about to be.
Stop, Eddie, stop. Sorry, I braked there for you. You get why?
Yes.
Anything else you want to do now that we're here? Brilliant. And once he's off the crossing, we're going to make sure we check the sides and then go up to the end. Oh, red light, red light.
See that? Oh,
Yes. Like a glove, but I have to go forward because it's not like a glove because it's a tiny space. And this is the only time when dry steering is necessary. Oh, I'm in. Nice. Sorry, that's not your fault at all. Okay, you okay?
yes, yes.
Get out, fire!
You know anybody that wants tools?
What kind of tools?
Ooh, I just saw an accident.
Video of him describing this, I found a report about that video in the New York Times. The video showed him at a conference in 1999 telling me...
What are you doing? Go!
Okay, I just got in a wreck.
Yeah, she deserved.
What are you doing?
Thanks for your feedback.
Tourists were driving when suddenly the Mexican cartel blocked the road.
Go, 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 no, 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 please, please, what? Please.
It turned out that the tourists were driving through the cartel's territory, which is why they were stopped for a check. Even the cartel members tried to calm down one of the stopped tourists as he started to get very anxious.
About to pass out. Logan, don't, it's okay.
When the cartel asked where the tourists were going, they were let go. How would you have acted in this situation?
Was about to leave the gas station when this Karen showed up and wanted him to leave immediately, even though it was a free pump right next to him.
Are you getting gas?
I'm about to go.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Okay, I mean, there is that gas tank right there, too. I'm getting all my gear on. I'm trying to be safe.
But after the Karen was insisting to make him leave that spot, he wore his gloves slowly just to make her angry. But the woman didn't even care. She was ready to wait for him all day, and even when he kept screwing with his keys for minutes, the Karen still waiting patiently. But after he finally turned the bike on and moved, the Karen did something completely unexpected, because right after he goes, she pulled up to the pump that he was pointing at her.
Two Karens, totally messed up on something illegal, tried to attack the officer with their hands. Real quick, they realized, yeah, that was a super dumb move. At first, they were just pulled over for a traffic thing, but instead of backing down, they went full-on aggressive. And guess what? It blew up in their faces, giving them a hard lesson they won't forget.
Insurance scammers act, but unfortunately for this guy, he's about to get exposed for being a fraud. Our POV driver was waiting for the green light at this intersection when the scammer made his move. When our driver tried to continue on his road, the scammer stopped him and took a photo of his license plate as evidence and called emergency medical services. Shortly after, a fire truck arrived at the scene. But once the dashcam footage was shown, the scammer's plan fell apart, and the police were called to arrest the scammer.